Hey guys, let's unbox this sublimation tumbler press. This is the 30-ounce tumbler heat press that I have available on my website. When you first open the box, you'll see the operating instructions. You will receive a roll of heat tape, and you'll see the power cord. There are 5 different color options you can choose from on my site, including pink, teal, black, white, and purple. This tumbler press works great for tumblers ranging anywhere from 11 ounces to 30 ounces. You can use it with ceramic mugs, glass tumblers, and stainless steel tumblers. You will also receive a 20-ounce sublimation tumbler to practice with. To set it up, you're going to take the white cord from the heating element and screw it into the side of the press. Pay close attention to the little notch that needs to line up correctly, and then you can screw it into place. Then take the power cord and plug it in right below where the heating element plugs in. After you plug it in, you will press the red switch on the side to turn the press on. Looking at the display, the top number is the temperature, and right now it is set to Celsius. You can press the button with the F and C on it to switch it to Fahrenheit. The bottom number is the pressing time. Once your press has reached the set temperature, it will begin counting down anytime that you close the arm of the press. On the outside edges of the display, you can see the bars that are moving upward. That is signaling that the press is heating up. Those bars will come on periodically while you're pressing a tumbler. The internal thermostat of the press will signal to the heating element that it needs to heat back up to your set temperature. This is normal for the press to do to regulate the temperature. On the back side of the press, you can twist the black knob to open or close the heating element to fit the size of your tumbler. It's best to take a blank tumbler and place it in the press to gauge how tight you need it to be. You want it to have a good hug on the tumbler, and you shouldn't be able to turn or move your tumbler inside of it while it's closed. Now this press is set up and ready to be used. Stay tuned for my next video and we will make some tumblers. And let me know if you have any questions.